So how can you watch the Netflix in 4K on your iPad? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, there are more conditions that have to be met, like obviously your iPad's screen has to support the resolution, and that heavily depends on your actual model, right? So you basically have the ability to just check out your settings for the display. So you check out your settings app, tap on about in the general section, and you can tap on your model number and literally paste that into the Google search, right? And this is going to tell you everything about your iPad because remember we are like we are interested in the display settings of your iPad and you want to know what resolution you have available. And based on that, you'll know if you can actually watch anything in 4K. But then when it comes to the Netflix specifically, when you are using the app and setting up the subscription, you have like different tiers, right? And some of them support better quality of the content than others, right? So you can literally just check it out. It kind of like is separated for different regions. So it also depends on where you happen to be at the moment or which countries Netflix you're using. But the point is that you can, of course, see the different plans for your Netflix. And in my case, as you can tell, I have like 3 different tiers. So you have the basic, standard, and premium. And the point is that the premium supports 4K HDR and the standard is only 1080p, where basic is 720p. So, that's even a lower resolution. And so that's how it works. Of course, if your iPad, if you have like a very old model or, you don't even have like the Apple iPad or just some random tablet or whatever it might be, but if it doesn't have the resolution, then just make sure you don't pay for the plan which supports resolution which your display doesn't, right? So that's something which I wanted to explain and kind of show you in this video. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.